The 15-day-long Dharti Aaba Abhiyan of Khowai district concluded at Padmabil on Monday. MLA Ranjit Debarma was present in this program as chief guest. Others present were Padmabil BSC Chairman Prashanta Debarma, Block BDO Amit Kumar Jamatia, Vice Chairman Surjit Debarma and others.
This program is being conducted in Khowai district as well as the entire country for 15 days. During this 15-day period, various certificates are given to the people through awareness camps and remote area camps.
Dharti Aaba jana bagidari Abhiyan. Mo tini paithak sak Chini Khowai district ni. Bekai mo tini Padmabil RD block ni bisingo RD block ni nokhlawo tino program choli tongo. Omo nungka mo salkolong ma o program choli mane tini paithak sak. O program choli pro kami am saya kebang ma jaga program khaijaka. O program ni bising tuikai kebang ma kami am saya boro robone Aadhaar card slamnani Aadhaar card correction khlainani. Eka omono karibo aro sastro mane konita sak hamnibo kebang ma kem khailajaka tate kebang ma boro rok aro nini bego mane sak hamnaije sak rok naijaki manka eka abuni bagino chung nayo je gram oncholo বিশেষ করে শহরিয়া গ্রাম অঞ্চল তেবো মতে eka program khainanko jate chini boro rok jara chung gram অঞ্চল tangai lukurok boro tebo sepsu ga manphon abun bagin amti program khaimani bren kaham ega tabuk je Khowai district ok man bisingo ramsundar ka ta prai na program khlaijak tongo ke abun bagi ang district magistrate ebong chini video sahib na bo ang blaikai hambai mairo kai chini oro je besi chairman sahib na bang blaikai hambai mairo tamne kai sing jotto khancha khaye chai tongman bagino chini ramchandra ka to hobi sara Khowai district ko komti ge program choli tongo agam dino tebo amti program khaina nakon ebong lokorong nok gano tebo segman to amn.
Reported by Biplab from Khowai, Chini Khorang.